Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we break down products so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the VEVOR Professional Blender, a commercial-grade powerhouse designed for those who love making smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks. Whether you're a home enthusiast or running a small cafe, this blender promises versatility and efficiency. Let's take a closer look at what this appliance has to offer. This blender boasts a powerful 2200 watt peak power with a rated power of 1400 watts. That's a lot of muscle for blending and crushing, making it ideal for those tough ingredients like frozen fruit or ice. With a rotation speed of 2600 RPM and 4 stainless steel blades, this blender ensures smooth, uniform juice extraction. The high-speed blades can quickly break down both soft and hard ingredients, making it a solid choice for everything from smoothies to purees. But how does it stand out from other blenders? First off, it's not just a smoothie maker. The VEVOR blender doubles as a juicer, grinder, and ice crusher, making it a versatile tool for all kinds of drinks and meals. It has a generous 2L capacity, perfect for larger batches, so if you're entertaining guests or meal prepping, this could save you time. The multifunctional variable speed control lets you adjust the blending speed and set blending times, allowing for precise control over your concoctions. There's also a pulse mode for those times when you need to crush ice or whip up a quick cocktail or frozen drink. One feature that stands out is the construction. The blender's body is made of thickened food-grade PC material, which is BPA-free, ensuring your health isn't compromised. The 304 grade stainless steel blades are designed to last, making them resistant to wear and tear. It's also worth mentioning that this unit is ETL and CE certified, so you can rest easy knowing it meets safety standards. Now, when it comes to real-world usage, the VEVOR blender does impress, especially when it comes to power. It can handle tough ingredients like frozen fruit, vegetables, and ice with ease. I tried making a frozen berry smoothie, and the blender churned through it in seconds, leaving me with a silky, smooth texture. Similarly, when testing it for ice crushing, the pulse mode did the job perfectly, creating the fine ice consistency I needed for cocktails. Setting up the blender is pretty straightforward. The controls are simple to navigate, and the large rotary knob allows for easy speed adjustments. I did notice that it can be a bit loud at its highest speeds, but that's pretty typical for blenders with this kind of power. Cleaning, however, couldn't be easier. You simply add some detergent to warm water, turn it on, and it's practically clean. The detachable bottle body also allows for easy cleaning by hand or in the dishwasher, so maintenance won't take up much of your time. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this blender. On the plus side, the VEVOR Professional Blender is a workhorse. Its high power, multifunctionality, and large capacity are great for both home use and commercial settings. The durable materials used in its construction make it long-lasting, and the ease of cleaning is a big plus. On the flip side, there are a few things that could be better. The noise level at high speeds might be a deal breaker for some, especially if you're using it in a quieter environment. Also, while the 2L capacity is great for larger batches, if you're only making smaller portions regularly, it may be overkill. Finally, while the blender is versatile, it doesn't come with a ton of specialized attachments. So if you're looking for something with more specific features like a personal cup blender, this may not be the best fit. When it comes to value for money, the VEVOR Professional Blender is priced reasonably for its performance, especially considering its power and versatility. When you compare it to other commercial blenders in the same category, many of them can easily cost a lot more. For example, similar blenders from brands like Vitamix and Blendtec often come at a premium price point, but don't always offer the same range of features. The VEVOR, at a more budget-friendly price, offers a solid blend of quality and functionality without the hefty price tag. There are a few alternatives out there that might be worth considering if you're looking for something a little different. The Blendtec Total Blender, for example, offers similar features, including variable speeds and a powerful motor, but it tends to be pricier. Likewise, the Vitamix 5200 offers similar durability and versatility, but again, it's often much more expensive, especially if you're just looking to blend and make smoothies. The build quality of the VEVOR blender is solid. The 304 stainless steel blades are built for longevity, and the food-grade PC material is resistant to wear and tear. While there's no long-term data available just yet, given the heavy-duty construction, this blender should be able to stand the test of time, especially with proper care. As for customer support, I haven't needed to contact VEVOR, but the company has a decent reputation for customer service. They're known for being responsive when it comes to issues, and the product is backed by certifications, so it's clear they take quality seriously. To sum up, the VEVOR Professional Blender delivers on its promises. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to clean, making it a great choice for both home and commercial use. If you're in the market for a high-performance blender that doesn't break the bank, it's definitely worth considering. But if you're looking for a quieter, more compact option or one with more specialized attachments, there might be better alternatives out there. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in the VEVOR Professional Blender, you can find the link in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Feel free to leave a comment if you've tried this product or have any questions. Until next time, remember, at Reviewsinside TV, we always help you get the inside scoop.